Okay, the hashtag is on your screen, debating the hashtag Mumbai Meat Ban. Let's tweet and let's have an open debate. Question number one, then it's an open debate. I'll only ask a first introductory question. I'm not taking rounds, so feel free to come in. Sudhanshu ji, alcohol ban कर दीजिए. रमजान के टाइम पर 14% जो पॉपुलेशन है मुंबई की मुसलमानों की पॉपुलेशन है. There should be a ban on alcohol during Ramzan. Will you have a ban on alcohol during Ramzan? Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, do the sentiments of the Muslim community don't matter? They don't drink. How can anyone else drink? बंद कर दीजिए. Alcohol sales बंद कर दीजिए मुंबई में. Ban कर दीजिए सारे दुकान.
Arnav. No, as far as alcohol is concerned, I think more Muslim friends will be more saying that it should be banned thoroughly.
नहीं, आप ban कीजिए, आपकी सरकार, it's your government, you ban it.
As far as this ban is concerned.
No, you have to ban it.
अरे भाई वारिस पठान से पूछ लीजिए कि उनके हिसाब से अल्कोहल पे बैन होना चाहिए नहीं. पहले हाँ या ना उनसे पूछ लीजिए, फिर मुझसे जवाब मांगिएगा.
पे बैन होना चाहिए. अगर आप मीट पे बैन कर सकते हो, चिकन पे बैन कर सकते हो, तो अल्कोहल तो उससे भी खतरनाक है. हमारा रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स उसके साथ जुड़े हुए. रमजान का पाक मुकद्दस महीना है हमारा.
जवाब आपको मिल गया ना.
That is the one thing we
got your answer.
We keep fast.
I will come to your
question. So you should ban alcohol.
Ban कर दीजिए. Ban कर दीजिए.
Your government is there in power. You should ban alcohol all over the country for 1 month.
Ban कर दिया. चलिए ban कर दिया.
Now coming on Mumbai question.
Only also in Mumbai and all over India. Ban alcohol consumption all over India for 1 month.
There are 3 points in this question.
No.
Everybody is equal before law.
अच्छा वारिस पठान प्लीज धीमी गति से और थोड़े सब्जेक्ट पर रहते हुए शॉर्ट आंसर्स. बैन कर दीजिए. बैन कर दीजिए आज. बैन कर दीजिए. पोर्क बैन कर दीजिए. पोर्क बैन कर दीजिए.
Ban pork.
Ban pork.
Ban alcohol.
Ban
which is
pork.
against the tenements of Islam.
Ban
we
pork.
will be very happy that the government has taken up positive steps, affirmative steps in banning alcohol.
Dr. Indira Tiwari, yes. Would you also welcome banning pork at all? Many
First
people.
Of all, I know your body language and your opening of this debate is so aggressive and provocative.
What's aggressive about it?
That's what. See, you started saying that I'm for the ban. See, the issue is that I'm not for the ban. I'm not to disband also. Issue is there who are at the helm at the affair. They are in Mumbai. It is in practice since 1964. Where were these cells who were sleeping in those years? It is a practice.
Priyanka Chaturvedi. Priyanka Chaturvedi countering you. Priyanka Chaturvedi countering you.
Now Manish Tiwari coming as a Masiha and saying this is a transgressing. I fail to understand that how Manish Tiwari, who has been a signatory in 1964, how can he shut from the responsibility that this were only
Priyanka Chaturvedi
marked to respect the Jain community only for the Paryushan period. Only for the Paryushan period.
Of being aggressive, your entire tone of voice and your tenure and your argument is just so aggressive and unnecessary and uncalled for.
Don't be partial.
Firstly, correct your fact.
Partial.
Firstly, correct your fact.
You correct me.
No, please allow me to speak.
I will take it. Please
allow me to speak.
Okay, Priyanka Chaturvedi को बोलने दे. Priyanka Chaturvedi को बोलने दे, please. 1 second. सब बैन कर दीजिए ना. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? रतन शारदा जी सब बैन कर दीजिए. श्रावण के महीने एक मिनट सुनिए ना. श्रावण ड्यूरिंग श्रावण नहीं, ये कैसे हो सकता है?
64 से ये चीज प्रैक्टिस में है. कहाँ थे सब?
छोड़िए 64, 24, 34
शिवसेना भी शामिल है, उसमें कांग्रेस भी शामिल है. अभी सभी व्हाइट कॉलर होना चाहते हैं. How can it be possible?
अरे मैम, try to understand. The government's attitude is totally biased, discriminative, and against a particular community.
अच्छा,
you go by banning eating
Waris
meat.
Pathan,
It is a violation
till last year when NCP and Congress was in coalition, then it was not.
Waris Pathan, Waris,
you ever follow the Constitution? Then Article 19 of the Constitution, which says that every person has got a right to practice
and here I am representing my mind.
I want the patent on bans.
Let me clarify my point.
ये सारा वारिस पठान,
if you want to eat meat, Bengalis do eat meat, Kannadis, they do eat meat. I'm not against that.
Then why ban it for 4 days?
Stop for a minute. The others.
It's you know,
Priyanka Chaturvedi.
it has been in the practice in order to just respect
Priyanka Chaturvedi,
the Jain community's sentiments.
Ratan
That's
Sharda
all.
on the other side with Priyanka Chaturvedi.
The
Please,
lady has to allow someone else to
Priyanka
talk.
Chaturvedi,
Why you want to politicize?
Please.
Why the panel or the debate is here to politicize the issue?
Ma'am,
that is my question.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, no, please, it's not fair to the other panelists. Priyanka Chaturvedi is responding. Yes, Ms. Chaturvedi.
Will you allow others to talk? Will you allow others to talk?
Go ahead, Priyanka, go ahead.
Ma'am, if you take the entire 1 year into perspective and you see how the government, the central government, the government in the state have failed to govern, and all they're busy concentrating on are bans. Mr. Pathan, let me also tell you, this meat ban is not community specific. There are Hindus also who consume meat. Let me also be very clear that I'm not
please.
You know, I'm a vegetarian. I'm a hardcore vegetarian. But that does not mean I impose my choices on others. I take away the freedom of choice of others. This is what you all are doing. This is what you all started in Mira Road, Bahindar. You've tried to continue it in Mumbai, and now we're seeing it happen in Navi Mumbai.
Priyanka Chaturvedi,
you're going to have other states also going to be
question for you. 1 second, please. It's not a debate between you and Indira Tiwari. Please, I am making it clear. I need to ask a question. I want to ask a question, Priyanka.
Why the band is bad?
Priyanka Chaturvedi, let me
What is not fair? Wait a minute. Please stop.
Listen to what I'm saying.
No, Priyanka Chaturvedi, you are trying to dilute the issue.
Please have the question. When I am making accusations, have the
No, I'm not accusing.
Can I please ask a question?
My very
you are going to ban
to you is that you please answer to the viewers
that two-day ban came into effect after taking every community
to respect the Jain community. Did you do or not? My very simple question is
Can I ask a question to
you are the Congress person
just because
who
you
won
don't
the
have
party.
Can you please, Indira Tiwari, stop?
Coming up with something like this.
I am asking a question to Priyanka Chaturvedi. शांत हो जाइए प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी जी. आपको सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. I'm asking you a question.
No.
Can I know? How can you say no?
Yes,
I'm asking you a question. Before I ask the question, you say no. Is that right? Please, आप मुझे ही बैन कर देंगे. अभी आजकल तो please now listen to me please. Priyanka Chaturvedi. You know this whole ban, who has the copyright for the ban? Patent किसका है? Copyright किसका है? Whose invention is this ban?
No, if the question is about this particular two-day
ban, no. I'll tell you. Actually, I'll ask the question and I'll give you the answer.
Please allow me to speak.
No. I'll ask you the question.
No, you cannot give me the answer. You have to allow me the time to give you the answer.
The copyright for the ban is the Congress Party.
Congress Party.
Let the viewers see. I'm going to expose the Congress Party on this one.
This was
I'm going to expose the Congress Party on this one.
Understanding that 2 days.
Viewers, please zoom in on this. Can I zoom in on this?
Yes, I'm not.
Zoom in on this, please. Zoom in on this, please.
You can show whatever.
Zoom in कीजिए.
Let me be very clear.
Zoom in. 1 second. Zoom in. I'm asking the viewers.
I have read it.
I'm asking.
I have read it, Arnab, and let me.
I'm holding it.
Repeat what I'm saying.
Please see. I've even put the translation. I put the translation of both the papers. I've got the translation of both the papers. Please note the dates. Dates are here. Please note the dates. What is the date? What is the date here? March 28, 2003. Second is what? So what is the second date? September 7, 2004. This is about the ban. It says abattoir and meat sale shops should be closed for 2 days because non-violence should be observed during. No, don't stop me. Ratan Sharda will respond. Ratan Sharda will respond.
I don't need to stop you.
No, you can't. This is a hypocritical political position. Ratan Sharda.
Complete my answer.
Ratan Sharda. You are the inventor of the ban.
Position. Please answer. Please give me a chance to answer this question.
Did you start the ban?
With accusing us of something and not even understanding why this 2-day ban was in place.
The fact of the matter
No,
is...
I'm not hyper because I'm not being allowed a chance to speak. I'm being accused of something.
You have been
speaking. Ashok Pandit. Notice for accusing the BJP. He can get away by accusing the Congress. Please allow me to speak.
Ashok Pandit.
The ban will affect so many lives, man. Do you know that? At least 1,000 tons of chicken is consumed in Mumbai every day. Try to understand the labor which is involved with that. Who will the state government compensate? Your government has also done this mischief. It is the mischief played by your government which we are facing today.
What is stop please for a minute.
The Congress and not even listening.
Your government,
stop please.
So let us not talk about the governance. We have seen Congress and NCP governance in this state. So let us not get into the governance part of it. All the scams, which we have seen it. You are not coming. One sec, Priyanka, let me talk. Priyanka, let me talk. Oh, you only, it's not Priyanka Chaturvedi show. Let me talk, let me come back to the point. Just because Congress has passed this law or the ban issue doesn't mean that BJP has to follow it. It's not necessary. One has to respect each and everybody's emotions, each and everybody's consideration. You appeal to the people. You tell the people that this is a Jain's festival. We appeal to the people that don't make a law and ban it. You can't do that. You appeal to the people. And I'm sure that people will agree to that.
4 days.
People will agree to that.
People are very considerate. We are imposing Sharia law in the country.
People believe in
If the MIM would give a solution, but we to say we are imposing Sharia law. Why meat ban when our religious festival is there?
Ratan Sharda,
let me ask a question to the BJP. Let me ask a question to the BJP person. Then will your government allow 3 days to the Muslim community to slaughter bulls and bullocks? Will your government allow? Now we were sacrificing bulls and bullocks. It is attached to religious sentiments. How can you play with our religious sentiments?
He's asking a question.
Why are we getting Hindu-Muslim into boss?
Because you are doing it. It is on a festival time. During the festival time, you are trying to put ban on the slaughterhouses. No, Ashok, this is our festival time.
Let us not communalize it.
You allow us.
Let us not communalize it.
You allow us to say 3 days.
Non-vegetarians.
You can allow the Jains.
Vegetarians are a lot of people.
If you can allow the Jains, why not allow the Muslims? The Muslims should also be given permission to slaughter bulls and bullocks for 3 days, which we had been asking to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. We have also written a letter to the President of India.
Then let us not communalize it. This issue should not be communalized.
We have a right
there are
to
people who are non-Muslims who are non-vegetarians. So let us not communalize the issue. The issue is I have a freedom to eat what I want to. There is a freedom to eat what I don't want to eat.
Is now banned government. Everywhere banned. First you banned the beef. Now you banned meat for 5 to 6 days, 4 days in Mumbai. Try to understand the plight of the people who are engaged in the business. What will happen to them? Will the state government or the Jain community compensate the losses suffered by those people?
Why are you blaming the Jain community?
It is the Jain community who have asked.
Just a minute. Waris Pathan. Waris, stop. Waris Pathan.
Let us not communalize.
Waris Pathan.
You got it all wrong. Don't talk about the Jain community.
All I'm hearing
all I'm hearing is Congress, BJP, Hindu, Muslim, Jain. What is this nonsense?
Respond to
There is no question of Jains being involved in this. Please don't involve the Jains.
You tell me one thing.
You respond to me, please.
Who said that?
Who said resolution that only meat should be stolen for 4 days during the Bakrid period? Will you allow?
We don't want to
Will you accept it?
Listen to it.
The entire country will say
I don't want to call
MIM is trying to.
I don't want to call
MIM is trying to impose Sharia law.
Got it all wrong.
The entire country will say MIM is trying to impose Sharia law.
They are misleading the people.
There is no Congress, there is no BJP, there is no Hindu, there is no Muslim. Please understand. Don't involve Jains in this.
Let him speak.
This has nothing to do with Jainism. You politicians,
let him speak.
You politicians are hijacking the agenda.
Let him speak.
Please respect the common man.
Let him speak.
Just because you've been elected and you are in power, don't take us for a ride.
Yes. No, but please,
that is what I want.
You are.
What is
1 minute?
What is talking to you?
1 minute.
What is Ruk Jai?
You are not representing the common man.
A common man farmer will
the common Jain is not willing to accept your rubbish.
You tell me one thing.
You cannot talk like this.
The poultry business.
You don't represent the common man.
Poultry business business in Maharashtra.
You don't give all the statistics.
This is all rubbish. It is not only considering a particular community.
You are not talking about the common man. You are politicizing the issue. You are communalizing the issue. What kind of debate is this?
What is stop? What is stop?
This is rubbish. Please don't take the common man for a ride.
Can't he speak?
We voted you to power. Don't take us for a ride.
That is
why. No, what is stop? I am requesting you.
Because we have voted.
Don't take us for a ride. Don't take me for a ride. I am a citizen of the country first.
Something you're
Please understand that. I am a common man first. What is this Congress and BJP rubbish? I am an Indian first. Please treat me as an Indian first.
Ashok,
so don't address me as a Jain.
Please stop. I'm requesting you.
Don't address me as a Jain. And I will not call you a Muslim.
I'm requesting.
You have no right to be called a Muslim.
I'm requesting.
I will consider you to be an Indian first.
I'm requesting you all now. One second, gentlemen. One second. It's a passionate debate. I am making one point. All of us, you are getting worked up. I'm just saying, making a simple request, especially to Waris Pathan, Ashok Pandit. You don't speak over each other. You make your point as strongly, but listen to each other. But I have one thing to say. Who on earth asked the Jain community? How can you say Jain community wanted the ban? No, please stop. Okay, tomorrow, Indira Tiwari will say, I represent the Hindu community. During the month of Shravan, we want full vegetarianism. Please stop. Who's giving them the right? My question is tonight, and here is a Jain, is Rupen Doshi. He says, who on earth is telling you that we want a ban? This intolerant form of politics is being professed for political reasons. I think it is the worst thing you can do. Ratan Sharda and Rupen Doshi on the screen now, please. Ratan Sharda has the RSS point of view, and Rupen Doshi says, I am an Indian, I am not a Jain or a Hindu or a Muslim. I am not defined by what I eat.
I also say I am an Indian, I am a proud Muslim Indian. Arnab, I would go a step further and say I am a proud Indian Muslim.
Some self-appointed leader,
Mr. Doshi,
maybe politically elected, he comes and he says that he is representing the Jain community's interests. You have to be representing the common man's interests first. Is it a part of the law of the land? Religion comes second. What you are doing, is it a part of the law of the land? If it isn't, you go to Singapore, you go to America, you follow the law like a mouse. And in India, you are becoming a tiger. You have no business to be doing that. You are not representing the Jain community's interests. The Jains will never. We are ahimsak. First, remember that.
Ratan Sharda represents the RSS point of view.
Do I want a ban? Yes, I want a ban. I want a ban for all 365 days, not only in Bombay, India, but the whole world. Is it practical? Is it reasonable?
If I allowed to speak,
no, it is not. So I don't want it.
How
because there's too much of negativity attached to this idea. So don't impose this kind of stuff.
I can't speak like this.
Ratan Sharda is responding to you.
Maybe I have feelings, but those religion, like my favorite news channel, religion is very, very personal. So Jainism and Times Now for me, very, very personal. It's got to be within my own realm. Parthi khas and swama vas means look at your own soul. Krodh and aham are the biggest challenges to attaining nirvana. Why doesn't anybody understand that? We will never want this. We will never want imposing. We will want it. If you guys willingly want to give up meat, we are very happy. We will clap.
But we not
no,
I may not agree.
I want a ban. I want to say. Can I say today?
No
Can I say one thing? If आप लोग allow करें मुझे तो मैं कुछ कह सकता हूँ. मैं चाहता हूँ ban हो. I want a ban on potholes.
Absolutely.
I want a ban on children not having a right to education.
Farmers are dying.
Right? I want a ban on a situation where we say we are progressing economically, but hundreds of farmers are committing suicide. I think the BJP would be well served today to have a ban on the situation in Marathwada rather than a ban on who eats what. Ratan Sharda ji, a ban ko defend kaise kar sakte hain? I would like you to respond directly to Rupen Doshi. Rupen Doshi, who being a Jain, says he's against the meat ban. Ratan Sharda is responding. Aap sun le unki baat ko. Manisha ji, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you.
Arnab, your people have been talking to me. I never said I support ban. Please understand. I said it's unnecessary step even taken by Congress and NCP. Doesn't matter who took the step, whether NCP, Congress or BJP, let it happen. I feel these kind of bans carry no meaning. They are just empty gestures to, pander to minority sentiments, whether it's Jain or Muslim. We are giving premier to people becoming minorities. When
don't
they become minorities, they have privileges. So unless
economic power, don't classify us as minorities, please.
This will come.
Don't slaughter us like this.
Sir, you have talked about a certificate. Sir, I don't want to be minority. Your Congress government labeled them as minority. I don't believe you are a minority. Please try to understand. Don't get agitated. Let us reason well. I never said that I support ban. I said even it was there was no need. This is the result of years of pandering to small things, because there is nothing lost in that.
The BJP
you want to do something, we have to work hard. This is hardly anything. You just release a farman. And so
if something wrong has happened, please undo it.
Law was already there.
Please undo it.
Law was already there.
To power had started banning everything.
Yes, exactly. But did I say?
Now banned meat
but did
for
I
8
say,
days.
my dear Praveen,
4 days.
I never said.
Mumbai, try to understand the plight of a common man, sir.
Mr.
Here,
Shahzad,
a common man is a worst sufferer. You and me are talking on the debate, politicizing. You are politicizing the issue. Just try to understand the farmer's plight. His poultry business had lost. There's a drought in Maharashtra. Why is the government not shying away from that? Why is the government not trying to see that the farmer who's committing suicide is taken care of? What will happen further?
Sudhanshu Trivedi
will happen to his business?
I'm leaving the debate.
Sudhanshu Trivedi is
and we are not going to shut our mouths.
Warish ji, please. Manisha ji ने बोला भी नहीं है. Sudhanshu ji, मैं सवाल ये पूछूंगा. Manisha, I will come to you after that. My question is, Sudhanshu, are you trying to distract people? कि लोगों को distract करते दीजिए, कोई छोटे-मोटे issues के साथ ये ban कर दीजिए, वो ban कर दीजिए. You know, distract people. Is that the idea, Sudhanshu Trivedi? That you are trying to distract people with these non-issues rather than look at the real issue.
Arnav, I want to make it very clear. There is no ban by the state government. It is by the BMC and the Mir Bhayandar.
You have
already
made
Shiv Sena will respond.
Second thing, let me cover
Shiv Sena versus
here on the TV channel. This NCP, Congress plus Shiv Sena all together are having majority in the respective municipal corporations. Why they are not bringing
viewers, please not.
This is the politics.
Before Manisha,
that you are not doing away with this.
Before Manisha Kayande comes in, I want to say Manisha Kayande is the spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, and you are seeing an open fight between the BJP and the Shiv Sena on the issue of a meat ban. This is very interesting. Is the NDA alliance falling apart? Manisha Kayande.
Please allow me to talk. Sudhanshu ji.
versus BJP.
Sudhanshu ji, I've listened, I've heard you. Sudhanshu ji, will you please allow me to talk? Well, in 1964, it was a resolution passed in the then BMC. In 1994, it was again for 2 days. In 2004, the state government, that time it was the Congress government, they added 2 more days, so it became 4 days. This time, in 2015, 3 of the BJP MLAs go to the commissioner, Ajoy Mehta, and they ask for an 8-day ban. Because
you are the government.
Their constituencies. Because
your government. You are in government.
I'm talking of the 3 BJP MLAs who went to the commissioner.
Why do I care whether BJP and Shiv Sena are fighting?
No, let me finish. Varis ji, please allow me to talk. That time, the commissioner has not allowed anything.
Only BJP Shiv Sena.
Commissioner has not allowed. The Shiv Sena has opposed in tooth and nail. Whether it is in Mira Bhayandar, whether it is any of they are opposed in tooth and nail. Today also Uddhav ji has categorically stated that we do not want the ban and we will not observe the ban. Do you want people to eat stale meat?
And we are not saying anything. Anybody is having full right to eat anything in their house. It is just the display which you invoke to
whether I want to eat in restaurant or whether I want to eat in public place.
I think
how can you
that the Jain community is being misrepresented.
Congress and Mr. Varis Pathan. That do you know? In the Muslim dominated districts, by the government order, during the month of Ramadan, the midday meal is withdrawn. Those children who are not having anything to eat, it is by the government order, which is widely published in various Malayali dailies like Janambhumi and others. Has anybody spoken anything? It is ruled by Congress. Congress has spoken no. Varis Pathan is saying no. अरे भाई आपके साथ तो वो है कि वो जिन लोगों को 2 जून की रोटी नहीं मिलती, उनको आपने बच्चों को कह दिया कि वो खाना नहीं खाएंगे। प्रियंका जी जवाब दीजिए, आपकी पार्टी ने ऑफिशियल ऑर्डर करके रमजान के महीने में मिड डे मील हटाया है मुस्लिम डोमिनेटेड इलाकों में। जवाब दीजिए उसका, जहां तो आप कह रहे हैं और वो ना खाओ, वहां तो खाना ही बंद।
As I take a break, I'll take
clear answer.
मैं छोटा सा ब्रेक लूंगा। I'll take a short break. I'm coming back. I want all of you to allow me to say just one thing. What is happening in this country? No, Priyanka Chaturvedi. You know something? Children are dying every day because they don't get enough to say. One sec, Priyanka, I'm coming to Priyanka. You will open the debate on the other side.
Just because he wants to defend his own party, a failed party Maharashtra.
Please stop. Ashok,
he's busy touring Japan.
Waris and Ashok Patan, I just want to say one thing, and I'm speaking to the viewers. Please don't interrupt. This is the greatest irony in this country, ladies and gentlemen, that children are dying because they don't get food on the streets of Mumbai. Hundreds of people are dying right now out of starvation in Marathwada, and politicians are desperately trying to divide Indian versus Indian on the basis of what they should eat and what they should not eat. We elect governments for governance, not to decide what is on our plate. This is bizarre and unacceptable. The debate continues on the other side 3 minutes from now. 3 minutes, the debate continues again. Please don't go away. So my simple question here is, and Sudhanshu Trivedi, there are 5,000 Jews in India. 5,000 Jews in India. आपने कभी Jewish population को पूछा है आपको क्या अच्छा नहीं लगता थोड़ा दूसरे लोगों को भी बैन कर दें उनके लिए? Sudhanshu Trivedi, आपको लग नहीं रहा है that everybody across India is asking कि BJP government, NDA government है BAN government?
No, the irony of the Indian politics
is it an NDA government or a BAN government?
In the name of minoritism, the politics of majoritarianism in the minoritism is doing done.
What?
मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आपने ज्यूज की बात कही, बहुत अच्छी बात कही, छोटी माइनॉरिटीज की भी तो ध्यान रखिए। बताइए कभी किसी सिख को इन्होंने बनाया माइनॉरिटी कमीशन का चेयरमैन? पूछा कांग्रेस से, हमने बनाया।
नहीं, आप सरकार चलाए ना, आप ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं?
नहीं बनाया कभी। From the core issue.
नहीं, आप सरकार चलाए, आपने क्या?
सभी माइनॉरिटीज का ध्यान रखिए।
अच्छा, आप जरा मुझे बीजेपी मैनिफेस्टो दिखाइए।
अब पॉइंट स्पेसिफिक।
नवरात्र।
We are not interested in Congress versus BJP.
Can I speak?
No, Indira Tiwari, please. No, Indira Tiwari. I will give everybody a chance. I'm giving Rupen Doshi a chance. Rupen Doshi कह रहे हैं आपसे कुछ। Sudhanshu Trivedi, Rupen Doshi कह रहे हैं आपसे कुछ। Please.
Mr. Trivedi,
here is Rupen Doshi. He is a Jain. He wants to say something. आप सुन तो लीजिए उनकी बात। आप सुन लीजिए ना, Rupen Doshi कुछ कह रहे हैं।
Mr. Trivedi, if as a BJP member you say that the Congress has been doing wrong stuff all these years, why don't you undo it? You are actually perpetuating the crime. You are a partner in the crime. One sec. I don't want your response. Just listen to me. Listen to me. Just listen to me.
Any Buddhist as a minister?
You are giving officialese. You are giving official dump. This is not going to cut ice on the street. Don't give official government language. We are talking about simple interests of the common man. Why do you put your hands in both my pockets? You have no right to be doing that. As a government, as a leader, as a political party, you are there, please remain there. Let live and let live. Let me be. Let me live my own life. Let me do my own thing.
Logic ये है.
Who is interfering your personal right?
What is this ban stuff? What is this ban? This ban is bad. It sounds like Taliban. You know, Taliban. I won't be able to clap anymore.
There is no ban. Where is the ban?
I will not be able to clap anymore with your kind of regime. Please change this kind of thinking. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. If you are not banning it, revoke it immediately. Tonight, revoke it.
And when it is invoked since 19...
one second. If you...
Re-endorsed in 2003 and 4. Why hue and cry is being made today in 2003?
Exactly. That's the only thing the BJP has to say.
Certain political reasons.
As a BJP member, you're only cursing the Congress. Grow up, man. Grow up. Say something new. You're in power now. You're in government.
Okay, Indira.
You're not in opposition. Please grow up and be mature.
And I have raised a pertinent question. As per the Malayali newspaper, Janam Bhumi, there is a ban in certain areas of Malabar region in Kerala.
Okay,
don't justify. Don't give some
Priyanka Chaturvedi, please.
Stick to the point.
2 minutes. Priyanka Chaturvedi.
To make an allegation. You be ready to face a defamation also. If you have nothing to prove, stop lying. Stop lying on national television, Mr. Trivedi, to defend your party. You should be ashamed. You are in power in the center. If Kerala is doing something like this, you very well prove it today. You prove it on this channel before you come up with this nonsensical lies? Stop lying. Stop lying. You stop lying. If you start quoting some newspaper reports to prove your point, then you should be ashamed of yourself. Being in the center, you can't even prove what nonsense you're talking. Let's talk about Gujarat. Let's talk about Madhya Pradesh. Let's talk about various states where you have banned meat to be eaten. You've forbidden eggs to be sold. This is the kind of majoritarianism that will have been spreading. Don't run away from that and don't come up with lies.
Okay.
About Kerala.
All right, 1 minute.
I'm challenging you on this. I'm openly challenging you today.
My question to Manisha Kande. Manisha, what is Pathan? Okay, stop please. Stop. 1 minute, stop. Waris Pathan, stop कीजिए ना please. आप मेरी बात सुनिए. मेरी बात सुनिए. वारिस पठान, राइट सबके है, सेंसिटिविटी सबकी है, बुरा सबको लगता होगा, पता नहीं किसको बुरा लगता है, मगर बात यह है कल अगर हिंदू समुदाय कहे या हिंदू समुदाय से 3-4 लोग जाके कहे, अभी हम सारे हिंदू समुदाय को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, जैसे इंदिरा तिवारी समझती है कि वो रिप्रेजेंट करती है सारे हिंदू समुदाय को, और वो लोग जाके कह दें कि सुनिए श्रावण चल रहा है, नवरात्रि चल रही है.
Hindu community. I never said so.
You are not the representative of the Hindu community.
No.
You are self-styled representative of the Hindu community. The Hindu Mahasabha does not represent the Hindu community.
Which you want to put in my mouth.
No,
I'm a proud Hindu. That
so am I, but I'm not as intolerant as you. No, so am I. I'm also a proud Hindu, but the difference between you and me is that I'm not an intolerant person and you are.
80% of the majority community is only opposed that I'm an secretary of parties. But I know here
Rupan is responding.
That the debate point is
can you listen to the common man? Congress with 44 seats and the BJP with 350 seats. Will you listen to the common man after you have won and lost the elections?
We Marathis,
we want a ban on politicians who talk rubbish, who think rubbish, and who don't think in favor of the people. Are you agreeing to that? Please don't politicize this issue. We are not interested in a political party.
That if it is a political statement, if the ban is an apolitical, it is a welcome move. Because
Indira Tiwari.
Just going around in circles. You're coming to no conclusion.
Indira Tiwari, one second. Rupan, please stop now, please. And I'm allowing a word to the Shiv Sena representative. But before that, I will only say this: that I am totally for some bans. I want a ban on cowards killing intellectuals. I want a ban on children dying when they fall into open potholes that the government should be covering up. I want a ban on communal forces doing everything possible to provoke riots before elections so that they can get a few votes. I want a ban on that kind of cheap politics. But there won't be a ban on that. All we'd get a ban sometime is on beef and meat. And I would say the ban. Manisha Kande, if you feel strongly, walk out. Walk out. Walk out if you disagree on this.
We will oppose it tooth and nail. We don't need to move out.
You are part of the government.
We will not move out. If the time comes, we will definitely do that, but not now.
You're saying if the time comes, you'll walk out.
We will definitely oppose. We do not believe in the ban for 4 days also.
You're part of the government.
Not for a single day.
You are part of
We are part of the government. But we are part of the government. But we do not believe in any type of ban.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
They were imposing it for 10 days. But after the objection, the ban was reduced. And we had taken the objection with justification.
I want to
not only for the purpose of banning, we argued, but with the justification to say why there should not be a ban on these. We went with the law.
What is
Article 19?
Why I do not
want the ban?
I want the farmers committing suicide. We were talking about the drought in Maharashtra. They kindly look into this matter. Where is the governance gone to dogs?
Okay, we are closing the debate.
I am asking Arnav one question. Where is the governance gone?
Many of the Jains go and they want the closure for 1 month. They want the Vedas to be closed for 1 month.
This Jain, Hindu, Muslim is nonsense. First say you're an Indian.
मैं एक बात कहूँ वारिस जी रूपन जी मैं कुछ कह रहा हूँ वारिस जी रूपन जी मेरी बात सुनिए. I want to ask the
Jain
You walk out now of the government. Do you have the courage to walk out of the government on this?
We will do it if it required.
Well, you walk
out. Shiv Sena has got the most powerful seat.
We will do it.
If required, we will do it. What do you mean?
I want to ask the Jain community. The Jain community. If I am fasting, why do I impose a ban on somebody else? If I am having a fast,
okay.
Why I ask him not to eat?
Manisha can.
Of course, we are against the ban.
There are many Jains.
Okay, I am closing the debate. I am closing the debate by just saying one thing. I am closing the debate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I am closing the debate by only saying this. Ladies and gentlemen, what has happened to India's politicians? They want to solve the Sheena murder mystery on the one side and they want to decide what we eat on the other. Why don't they just mind their own business? We are debating this constantly. But to the Shiv Sena, अगर आपको इतना प्रॉब्लम है तो वॉकआउट कर दीजिए, सरकार छोड़ दीजिए. Thank you for joining me on debate number 3 on the Mumbai meat ban on the News Hour tonight. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And that's it on the News Hour this evening. I thank all of you for joining me. See you tomorrow on the Thursday evening edition. Good night and goodbye.